installed the Apron bathtub by American Standard, and it is very modern looking with the clean front. It seems like you have a ton of room to soak on the inside. It's acrylic. The install went smooth. The instructions told us exactly how to do everything, and it's 60 inches by 32 inches. For the shower and tub faucet, we went with the Studio S tub and shower trim kit in a black matte color. And what we really liked about it was it's basically a rainfall shower head. And I love the simplicity of the faucet of the tub. And I'll go ahead and turn it on so you guys can see the shower head at work. Really happy with it. Again, the install was super easy on this. We just followed the instructions and boom, beautiful shower head. One of my favorite things about this entire bathroom is the toilet. And I know that sounds kind of funny to say, but we let our followers pick the toilet. They chose the concealed Trapway one from American Standard, and I am currently obsessed. It was 2-piece, so it was very easy to put together, just like a normal looking toilet. And we went with chair height and elongated, which makes it slightly taller and slightly longer. And I love how it turned out, and we've gotten so many compliments and questions on this toilet. We like to use products that look different but do a good job at complementing the area. So if you see, this is a perfect match to the shower head, and then we picked a light fixture and mirror to pull everything together. But this is the Studio S widespread faucet, and it looks like it would be complicated, but it works just like a traditional faucet. You just turn the knobs on and off. The stop is very modern. It's perfect for an urban, contemporary bathroom, and it complemented this bathroom and pulled everything together.